It's another beautiful fall day in Michigan. You can see the farmer cut his corn down. The leaves have turned. They're starting to fall off the trees. I was starting to clean out my gardens. Oh, those hostas, they can't handle the cold weather. So I was starting to cut them, and look what I found hiding. Can you see it? It looks like a leaf. It's called a Katydid. Let me see if I can get a better angle. I think God's camouflage is pretty amazing. It's been cold, so she's been hiding out and moving kind of slow. I asked her if she wanted to hold my hand, so I just thought I'd get a nice close-up. Oh, let me get her in focus. There we go. Oh, she keeps going out of focus. She's so close. Whoop. She's not doing too well. Trying to survive the cold weather.